Cristiano Ronaldo isn't just your average football player, he is a footballing legend whose name will be remembered through the annals of history. For the Yanks out there, this is the football that refers to the great game of soccer. Being Ronaldo and having this level of skill and fame also brings with it a huge paycheck, like the billion-dollar sponsorship deal he has with Nike. With such money coming in, you don't have to think twice about your budget, and that is why CR7 has managed to amass quite the real estate portfolio already at a young age. That's right. Here in this video, we look at the most expensive homes owned by Cristiano Ronaldo. Before we begin, have you ever heard of him? Do you follow soccer? Let us know in the comments below. Also, for those new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell notification to all so you receive all our newest content updates. Glad to have you along. Football fans and the general public around the world are fascinated by Cristiano Ronaldo's lifestyle. The Manchester United superstar has a fleet of lightning-fast supercars, flies around the world on a $24 million private plane, and, of course, follows a strict diet and a well-known workout regimen. The 36-year-old Portuguese-born athlete has amassed over $1 billion net worth as a result of his enormous success both on and off the field over the years, so he and his expanding family have plenty of housing options. Number 1. Funcall Mansion, Madeira, Portugal. Ronaldo bought this 7-story property in 2015 for an estimated $8.5 million. It was once a warehouse that he transformed into a new opulent home. After the renovation was finished in 2019, Ronaldo's mother, Maria Dolores, and brother Hugo moved in. During the coronavirus outbreak, Cristiano and his family were also temporarily placed in quarantine here. They did, however, relocate to a different location in Madeira as well for unknown reasons. 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools, a rooftop pool for good measure, a jacuzzi spa, and a small football pitch are all available to his family. Ronaldo can also store some of his high-end vehicles in a 5-car underground garage. Oh, and Ronaldo even built 2 gyms here. The dude loves his workouts. Number 2. La Finca Mansion, Pozuelo de Alarcón, Madrid. The cost of Ronaldo's La Finca home is $6.2 million. It features 7 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, 2 playrooms for the youngsters, a trophy room full of prizes, and an 8,600 square foot lot. He probably keeps his Ballon d'Or trophies in the trophy room as a centerpiece. Additionally, the house contains stunning living quarters, a modern kitchen, and a dining area with stunning amenities, and a stylish circular table where the super athlete devours all of his super mega meals. However, the area where he typically chows down is only his second favorite spot in the house. His own bedroom takes the top spot. Why? He stays here for about half of each day to aid in his recovery. The exterior of the house is equally beautiful. There is a garden with a sizable pool and, you guessed it, a hot tub. There is also a little football area here for playing his fave game. How could a football player's mansion not have its own football area, right? The location of the house doesn't come as a surprise, as this is a particularly private place. It's the perfect place to take a break from all the paparazzi buzzing about, allowing him to rest in relaxation at his own retreat. On top of that, security cameras are located alongside the road to monitor who goes in and out of the house. Plus, the metal fence that surrounds the property stands at around 8 feet tall. A bit over the top when you are as rich as Ronaldo, you gotta project yourself, yo kids, and yo wife. Number 3. Trump Tower Apartment, NYC. Well, you heard it right. Ronaldo also has a luxurious property in the concrete jungle where dreams are made. Yep, he owns an apartment in New York City. Ronaldo's most pricey property is a chic condo in the Trump Tower of NYC, which he bought for an astounding $18.5 million in 2015. There were rumors that the 5-time Ballon d'Or winner could upgrade to a different portion of the 58-story structure with an additional 8-figure investment the following year. Was it done? His 3-bedroom home already features breathtaking panoramic views of Manhattan and Central Park, elegant hardwood furnishings, and a long list of exclusive amenities like security and recreation areas. Juan Pablo Molyneux, a specialist in maximalism, designed the residence. As a result, anticipate the residence to be excessively lovely. The furnishings are exquisite, and every room has a sophisticated appearance. In addition to a gourmet kitchen and 2 marble bathtubs, it has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It was formerly owned by President Trump's business partner, the Italian entrepreneur Alessandro Proto. It's worth noting that Christian Grey's notorious bachelor pad was modeled after this very flat. If it's Trump, it probably carries a bit of wealth behind it. We're about halfway, guys. Are you enjoying the video? Please give us a thumbs up and join our growing community by subscribing if you haven't already. Number 4. Marbella Holiday Home, Spain. In 2019, Ronaldo amassed an enormous paycheck of $109 million alone. With this came a new pad in paradise when he decided to buy this holiday home. Ronaldo bought this new vacation property in the summer of 2019 as a reward for his team, Juventus, winning the Serie A championship in his first season with the club. He spent £1.3 million for a luxurious 4-bedroom home in a Marbella country club so that he could relax on the Costa del Sol in the off-season. Down the street is a comparable home owned by UFC superstar Conor McGregor, and both include home theaters, LED-lit driveways, and infinity pools. The villa is just stunning, an absolute dream house with high ceilings, panoramic views, a floating staircase connecting 2 stories, and a clean, crisp interior design. Just look at this impressive interior. It's got the perfect gym, the perfect cinema, and the perfect wine cellar to top it all off. The outdoor space is equally impressive with that infinity pool and fire pit, suitable for those relaxing summer nights to unwind overlooking the unparalleled views of the Spanish coastline and Mediterranean fields. Number 5. Turin Compound Private Italian Mansion. Ronaldo came to Juventus for a whopping £99 million in 2018 and swiftly moved into a house worthy of his stature as a global legend. Not much is known about the large mansion in the Turin foothills, but the seasoned striker did allow avid fans to take a peek inside via his Instagram profile. Thank God for social media. The property, which consists of 2 connected villas, is located on a private road and is guarded and surrounded by private gardens. Its value is unclear. It has a rooftop deck where you can take in breathtaking views of the lovely Italian city, as well as a gym, pool, and large walk-in closets. Well, he certainly needs all the room he can get, because where else would he store all of his high-end suits? Number 6. Flats in Lisbon, Portugal. In late 2019, Ronaldo dropped £6.5 million on a spectacular apartment on Avenida de Liberdade, making it the priciest home in the Portuguese capital. Ronaldo may have nice recollections of the central Lisbon region from his time with Sporting, despite the fact that his digs were not so sumptuous when he was a developing talent. Well, it is all about staying true to your roots now, isn't it? The 3,100 square foot apartment has a gym, a pool, 3 large bedrooms, and a spectacular rooftop views. Ronaldo reportedly had to fend off demand from 2 wealthy businessmen to get it for himself. Fame does come in handy, but Ronaldo's activities on the penthouse roof got him in trouble, and he had to pull down a gazebo this summer to avoid a court dispute with the building's architect. The United legend also reportedly owns a flat in Lisbon's Rua Castilho. However, its value is unknown. This athlete has so many houses. Number 7. Riverside Estate, Portugal. Earlier this year, Ronaldo was ordered by a court to demolish an annex and housekeeper's cottage at his lavish property in the spa town of Gueiras, northern Portugal. He complied and gave the debris from the demolition to the surrounding homeowners who could use it for repairs. Well, they do say more money, more problems now, don't they? Ronaldo spent £2.3 million on the home so that he could spend his vacations there in private while also taking in the stunning scenery of the nearby national park. While he may have sold it to former Real Madrid teammate and compatriot Pepe for the same price in 2019, he is still listed as the owner, so we still consider it to belong to Ronaldo. Which pad did you guys like the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video to your friends if you found it awesome. Make sure to look at all our other videos until the next ones come out. We're sure you'll love them as much as we do. Until next time, bye for now.